Yo, what is up, people? Welcome back to Super Mario 3D World. In the last episode, we finished World 4, and we're in World 5. And it's time for Sunshine Seaside. Let's go.
I can't wait to destroy their sand sculptures.
I can't wait to see the sun. The sun is so warm. No.
Yay, I gotta keep going. I love to kill people.
Wait, is that your
Actually not. Yeah, because I'm in it.
Oh, wait, you went in the shell?
I just
do that?
I just streamed this.
Bro, I want to go in the shell.
Get him! Yes, I got him!
Ow! Don't kill me! I don't want to die! No!
How do you get into shells?
Yeah, you like grab the shelf and then you hit the crouch button.
I got it!
Yeah.
I got started. I didn't even know. Oh, I got boomerang!
Oh no!
I
died trying to kill.
Ladybugs.
Alright, children, let's do this thing.
Yeah, but don't kill us.
Get in the shell.
Don't kill us, Toad.
Teenage
Wait, guys, don't go back, go back. We missed something.
There's literally a star key.
Alright.
I mean, or whatever there.
Hey, wait, guys. Okay,
Where am I?
Let me get this.
Over here. We missed something in the pipe.
Really?
There's a pipe over here.
I don't think.
I'm pretty sure we did.
It was.
There's one left. It's back here.
Hey, guys. Hey, wait.
It's over there.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh,
it's
it is.
Oh.
Oh, wait, guys, don't go in that box, because I remember that we had to say Captain Toad in this level, like, over here.
Guys, can I
Like, we had to get in here. Guys.
Goomba mask.
Hey, guys, give me a boost. Okay. Okay, you see right here? Come on, it's time to save the captain. Don't worry, Captain. We'll save you. We'll save you. I died trying to save Captain Toad.
Give it to me.
Yes, I got it.
There's no way I'm getting it around here. But I'm fine with that. I mean, I think I had too many levels where I got a crown.
I need more.
Okay, hey, wait, hold on a second, guys. Don't go in that box yet because
Wait, there's a
I
golden shell.
saw a hole over there.
Wait, it goes in shell up.
Hey guys, there's a hole over here, so don't go in the pipe yet. I mean, the box.
I'm sorry, Glenn.
Okay, hey guys.
Get over here. Let's get some.
Hey guys, can you get over here because there is a pipe here, but guys, bubble.
Oh, come on.
Bubble.
I'm definitely just gonna try and sneak my way into the pipe.
There we go. That's better. There it is. Here we are.
Let me in.
No, it's over there.
Oh, Toad is gonna get it.
Oh, you're so lucky.
It was just a coincidence.
Here, let's see. Wait, we already got all.
Hey,
wait, get it.
Hey, actually, we're gonna get the stamp. Okay, guys. Oh wait,
it's here.
That's brutally murdering.
Which I did.
Any stamp near here, please. I haven't played this game over multiple times. Oh.
No. It's plastic. Okay, I know
You
that.
can't even speak to the fairy.
I know that we're gonna
Or
get.
not.
Hey guys, I know that we're gonna get a stamp here. Like, trust me, I
You
think
know this game better than you know us.
Okay, guys, so I know it's on the right side.
Oh, this is giving me anxiety right here.
This gives you anxiety. What if I would do this?
My least favorite thing about the Plessy level is that you guys are found. Okay, guys, the stamp is over there. Ah! Yeah, you guys saw the.
Oh, I want to be in charge. No, wrong way.
Hey, wait. Oh, guys, wait, Frogger!
It's just
No.
coins.
Yeah, but we need coins for lives.
I'm in charge now.
Let's go fast.
No, I'm in charge. You're going off the cliff.
Let's go fast.
Everyone hold up.
Wait, we can go fast.
Hold up.
Yeah.
Sweet. Speed run.
I don't think that's the
Whatever.
Okay, guys, remember, if we act like fools, we die.
Or save our lives.
Okay, guys, the save is over there. Come on.
Oh no.
Stop jumping.
You kinda had to jump though.
Well, yeah, but like at the wrong time.
No, you're good. Okay, I'm second.
I'm the winner.
I'm third.
Oh jeez. You got nothing.
Well, I got 4.
No.
Oh, wow.
Hey, how'd you get up there?
I don't know. I don't know how I got up there.
I damage boosted through those flying things.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
Yeah.
I've not got anything really. The most things I got are just killing people, so I don't know.
It's a Koopa out of his shell. Okay, and the winner is not me.
It's me.
It's
lose.
Toad!
How? I was so prepared to say I lose, but I won. How? I got all this stuff. Well, I got a star and jumped up to the top of a platform. I did too.
Oh, I remember that stage.
Oh no, not the trapeze stage.
I love trapeze stages.
It's fun because
Yeah, but that's because this is like, hey guys.
There's lots of holes, so it's
Yeah, but
fun.
guys, there's also Captain Toad.
Oh no. He's laughing at us.
Toad plays peekaboo.
He's laughing at us because we can't play. He's so rude. And you're so right. I'm already scared. It's a ghost house. There's only like 6 of them.
He doesn't look scared. He sounded like he was possessed.
If you go through that door, it's gonna lead to another door.
It's the middle door.
Yeah, of course, thank you. I was right all along. I'm kidding, I wasn't.
Oh, trap.
No, it isn't.
Congratulations, you played yourself. You gotta go back.
Wait, what? Yeah, I do think I need to.
Yeah, then you can... Are you trying to kill it?
Or that area, that works.
Hey guys, I'm gonna try to kill this ghost with
Tap
light.
him. Tap him.
I guess.
It just abuses the ghost.
I don't know where to go. Okay, where?
Tap the thing. Have you tried tapping all the blocks?
Oh, a secret passageway. Let me see where it leads to me.
Oh, can a ghost go through walls? Obviously, because ghosts can't go through walls in this game.
Yeah, they can also fly up.
I think do you get over? Oh, never mind.
Okay, there we go.
I wonder who runs out of time in this minigame. Dash.
You who aren't skilled as us gamers.
Okay, the last green star is where I have to get the mushroom.
No, get your son. You're just gonna leave your son. Finally.
What happened to the mushroom?
I don't know.
Gone. Reduced to atoms. No, the ghost got him.
Maybe the ghost made him and made it as a pizza, like made it as a topping of a pizza.
Might be.
What
a terrible thing. Wait, how did Toad jump on top of the flag?
Maybe Mario got
He
him.
didn't.
Okay, it's time to be circus performers.
And
It's-
pretty much die a lot. Tricky trapeze dance.
Okay, guys, hop in.
You're not taking my life. Yes! Yes!
Ah!
I can
Bubble
pop
up,
it.
boys!
Oh, I thought you just
Hey guys, give me a boost.
Oh, that thanks. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Peach. You're so generous.
No, I'm.
Hey guys, hop on.
No, let's abandon them.
Yes!
Hey guys, hop on.
Hopping on backwards.
Okay guys, not yet. 3, 2, 1.
Yes! Yes!
Hey guys, wait, hold on a second. I saw invisible clouds.
Absolutely.
I think I died.
Yes, I got it. I'm a genius. No, no, look at
I on!
Yes!
Hey guys, not it!
Okay, whatever.
Oh no! Why did I die?
Yes!
How did I die?
Toad, it's your turn.
How dare you, Peach?
Toad, it's your turn.
Oh wow. It's time to be giant.
I have been thickened.
You know what? I'm gonna just stand up with
Hey guys, wait, hold on a second. Don't go there yet. Because look.
Oh yeah, a little secret area. Ah yes, everyone. Oh, you're just drag me down. I think I broke the pipe.
Oh,
yeah, not Dick.
no!
Come with me.
Okay.
You're coming with me.
Hey
No,
guys,
guys, trying to
let's
kill.
try hammering it. Let's try hammering it.
hey guys, let's all kill ourselves. Guys, let's all.
Oh, yeah, that's a great
no,
idea.
No, I'll never take me out alive. I'll be a victor.
Everyone kill you.
I'll be a victor. Just don't get distracted. Yes, I win. Evan, you have to go.
Spike! Spike!
I won. Yes.
Yeah, we did it on purpose so we could go to the pie.
We know.
Purpose.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Funny.
Wait.
Wait. Oh, I survived.
I survived.
I survived.
Okay, let's wait for Luigi. Okay, guys.
No, I'm too slow. You terrible person. Out to this house.
Oh wow.
Hurry. Evan, actually grab some.
Yeah, actually, Evan has been camping there.
I got some. I actually got
Yeah,
some.
but you-
Like two or
Yep.
something.
No, actually,
Hey
got
guys,
like
do you
five.
guys want to be giant? Do you guys want to kill them?
Nah,
I
just
wanna
wanna
kill
run.
them. I wanna kill them.
I wanna hide.
Yay! I could step on you so easily back. Out. I can't pick you up.
Oh wow, the stamp
I
is
think you
just...
killed everything. Alright, clap. Wait, no, let me in the fight.
Oh, it's Captain Toad! I got so distracted by Captain Toad that I ended up... Oh, I died.
Ah, I'm still down here, guys.
Should I jump?
Hey.
No, let me.
No!
I jumped. I actually jumped. It's okay.
Hey guys, come on.
I got it!
Come on.
We should go
Hey,
back,
we should
though.
Go back. Yeah. Good old. Ah. Mario.
Come on, guys.
What about this?
I'm gonna kill myself.
We already got this stamp.
No, we didn't.
What about
Yes, we
Captain
did.
Toad? No,
There's literally a Captain Toad over there, but whatever. That was
Okay,
bad.
guys, I'm gonna wait for you guys.
Oh, no, Toad, please wait.
Ah!
Get the gold,
No!
How do you get gold?
Why wasn't I there? The question you guys asked. 1, Toad killed me. 2, I couldn't respond.
Yeah,
Okay,
hey
everybody
guys,
else for comedic purposes.
do you guys want to go back
I
in
guess.
there to get the golden flag?
Why
or-
not?
Speedrun,
Let's do
speedrun.
Speedrun.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna go back in there to get a golden flag, and the winner is... Me.
I probably could have won.
Okay, speedrun strats.
I could have won.
Speedrun strats. Don't leave anyone behind.
Okay, if someone gets left behind,
Oh, I got
press
the
bubble.
crown. What?
It's Charge and Chuck.
Think about how many people you can kill
I don't know.
in the Mario universe.
Oh no. Well, let's not count the green one.
Hey guys, okay.
Well, let's not count each other.
I got the girl! Let's go!
Speedrun!
Ah!
This is all
I got
off
the
the
crown.
ground.
How dare you! I'm gonna grab pound you!
I'm gonna...
Oh well,
I'm gonna do something else illegal.
whatever.
You know what? Screw it, Toad. You tried. Well, guess what? I'm gonna try and jump on this.
Wee! Bye
No
guys!
one gets the crown.
Ah!
No one gets the crown.
Up, Mausimo.
Fine. No, I didn't get... Wow, I died!
Oh!
Hang on, Toad, you can make
We
it.
lost our lives.
Hey guys, let's not be giant. It's time to rush.
I'm running for my life.
And I I'm just gonna.
I'm not dead.
I am. Oh, why is the stamp right
Yoink.
there?
I don't know. Probably because they don't have any creative ways to
Okay, let's go try and see Captain Toad.
How dare you, Toad?
Ah!
Now let's leave him.
No, we don't want to leave Captain Toad. He's the best.
Hop in.
Okay, everyone hop in.
No, no!
Yes! No!
Okay, we actually have to
Toad!
Toad, we have to work together.
Toad!
Toad, wait, we have to work together for this.
Okay.
Now.
How dare you guys kill me? Toad is dancing.
Okay, guys.
Ah!
Thanks, Toad.
You're welcome. I just spawned it. Hey, Evan, wait for us.
Okay, guys. Guys, wait.
You're slaying, guys.
We're wasting up so many lives.
It doesn't matter.
Just make it, please.
Pop it, Logan, pop it. What are you gonna pop it, Logan?
Logan,
Come on,
pop it.
Logan.
Sorry, man, friends.
Did you make it?
I made it.
I did
Thank
make
goodness.
I basically, I was like every man for
Slavery is
himself.
no more.
Yeah.
And it is.
Not me.
Probably.
Ha!
I'll let someone have the crown next time.
Yeah, I'm gonna ground pound you next time. Now let's go to
Then
the
I'll
rock level. We're all actually facing it for the first time.
Yay.
Bro.
Oh no, not that one. It's where we have to rush.
Yeah, again, when I
Ooh.
said every couple levels, I mean it.
Backstreet
You will
Buses.
die.
Yeah, you see what I mean? Oh, yeah, by
Oh,
the
no
way,
problem. I
they
just
made
don't
the
remember
first Green Star movie. Still clever.
Double cherry.
That's mine.
I want to reproduce.
Yes, my friend. Guys, we already.
Hey guys.
2 of my clones
Hey guys.
died. 3 of my clones died.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Louis. Oh wait, Toad, that one there is for you.
You know what? I'm just gonna land on
Toad! Toad!
Bro, I
No,
can't
don't go there yet! There's a little button that Toad has to
like-
go on.
Probably a stamp.
Yeah,
you got
it's
the
a
gold
stamp.
flag. Ethan jump first.
Yeah, but we need the stamp.
You left me behind. I'm so sad.
Yeah, we're gonna go back in there and get the stamp, viewers.
I got first. Yeah.
Yeah.
How'd I get first?
I don't know.
Yeah, probably because you guys weren't being patient.
Bro, I'm putting ground pound on you.
You're gonna run on me?
Ground pound.
Oh, there's a house. There's a house.
Whoa.
And there's
Ground
the
pound on us would
And
destroy
the
your
gambling
neighbors.
machine.
That's gamble.
Gambling.
Okay, guys. Yeah,
Next
but
time.
we're gonna go. Yeah, we're going back in there to get the stamp.
Okay, we're.
You got speed run. Speed.
Oh, you took all of them.
Goodbye, 1 point.
Okay, Toad, that one there is for you.
Oh jeez.
Do we need?
No.
No!
I'm completely distant.
Let's go. 2 times in a row.
Yeah, because you weren't waiting for us.
At this point, we just wanted to get the
Logan was going for it, so I thought, hey, might as well too.
I missed it.
Toad is running after a mushroom.
Ironic.
Brother, no.
Still get second.
He gets
The same results as before.
He's just a cheater.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go steal. Let's go steal. She really means I don't know what's wrong with all this stuff.
Ah, yes, the Toad House. Small one.
You idiot. Well,
Yes! I got the mushroom!
And I
we stole his child.
Man, we're
I
all.
love that
We stole his child.
Are
burned
we
down the
always
place.
getting the mushroom?
No, it's like, I think that every
Next-
other world is
next
different or
time-
something, I don't know.
Next time we're
Let's
getting.
go gamble.
Next time.
Gamble,
we
gamble, gamble, gamble.
Finish off the
Let's teach
episode
us
with
son.
gambling.
Actually, finish off the episode by killing George and Chuck.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay, guys.
3, 2, 1, jump. Evan, you failure.
Imagine being Evan.
Imagine doing 3, 2, 1 and clicking whenever it says 1.
I was like passing off
What
and
do you
very
mean?
sad.
I clicked when it goes 3, 2, 1, click, and then you all went.
Yay. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, click. You did 3, 2, 1. And 3, 2, 1.
I
Okay,
don't know, I timed
it's time-
it my own way.
We're gonna finish off the episode with killing Church and Chuck.
I'm gonna. Probably not live.
Ow!
Oh.
That was...
No!
No!
Kill the princess!
No, Luigi got it.
I
Oh, I
think...
got the crown. Means you still win my
I think I think I did
Yay.
nothing. I think it did nothing.
I got
No,
something.
I did nothing.
And it is
It's me! Yay!
the
Yeah!
third time in a row.
Gee, the princess deserves the crown.
Because she's a princess.
That's it. I'm unsubscribing from this YouTube channel.
Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe as usual and like this video if you enjoyed it. See you later. Peace.